The patient here is positioned supine with the thigh abducted and externally rotated. To identify the saphenous nerve in the adductor canal, the transducer is oriented transverse between the middle and distal third of the anteromedial thigh. The canal itself is an aponeurotic tunnel bordered by the vastus medialis, adductor longus and magnus, and the fascia of the sartorius. The femoral artery is in close proximity to the saphenous nerve above the knee and is an important initial landmark. Color Doppler is helpful to identify the femoral artery. The nerve to the vastus medialis is seen more proximally here. The transducer is typically translated to the most distal level at which the artery continues to lie immediately deep to the sartorius and its fascia. Translation of the probe to position the femoral artery midline reveals the sartorius muscle, vastus medialis, and adductor magnus or longus, depending on how proximal or distal the scan is. At a more proximal level, the saphenous nerve is positioned anterolateral to the femoral artery between the sartorius and vastus medialis. The needle trajectory and distribution of local anesthetic is demonstrated.